Namestnik with Orbis Environmental Consulting. And one of the things that's important to know when you're out walking around outside is what poison ivy looks like. It can cause a pretty bad rash to those who are allergic to it. And so today we're going to look at poison ivy. You've probably heard the saying, leaves of three, leave it be. There are a lot of plants that have quote-unquote leaves of three, but poison ivy is one of them. It has leaves that are divided into three leaflets. Poison ivy can grow in the form of a vine. There's also a species of poison ivy that grows as a shrub. Right now we're looking at it on the forest floor. Sometimes you'll see it climbing well up into trees with vines that are several inches in diameter. You can see these three leaflets, and each of the leaflets has lobes on it, and those lobes generally start towards the middle of each leaflet. They often also are going to have tiny hairs on the undersides of the leaflets. When it forms flowers and fruit, the fruit droop and they're white in color, and birds love the fruit of poison ivy. They're not allergic to it like we are. It's important to know the difference between poison ivy and a very similar looking species, box elder. Especially when they're young, they can look very similar. And here's a box elder. Box elder is a tree that's in the maple family, and so it has these very characteristic samaras, or the maple fruit, that look like helicopters when they drop from the sky. Box elder also has three leaflets. They're also toothed or lobed, often with that lobing starting near the middle. But a very easy way to tell the two apart is that box elder has opposite leaves, so two leaves that come off from the same location on the stem, whereas poison ivy has alternate leaves and branching. So one leaf comes off from each point on the stem, not opposite one another. Box elder also, when it's young, is going to have a glaucous bloom or a white powder on the stem. Check back soon for another plant profile.